Let's get started with your first workspace in TalentBoost. Whether you're a hiring agency or a single company, workspaces help you stay organized, secure, and collaborative. In TalentBoost, a workspace is your dedicated hiring environment. Think of it as your recruitment control center, where all jobs, interviews, candidates, and reports are managed. It keeps your data structured and your users organized under one unified space. For single companies, workspaces let you manage all your internal hiring activities while inviting teammates or hiring managers. For hiring agencies, you can create a separate workspace for each of your client companies. This ensures the data remains completely private, isolated from other clients, while giving the client direct access to view candidates, interviews, and reports. To set up your first workspace, go to your TalentBoost dashboard and click Create Workspace. Give it a name and an optional description, then confirm the creation. That's it. Now you have a secure space to manage everything from job listings to post-interview reports. You can invite your team into the workspace as well to collaborate. Click the workspace settings, then members, then invite member. You can place their email as well as their role of either a member or an admin. The invitee will receive an email with a link. Once they accept the invitation and authenticate their identity, they'll gain secure access to the only workspace they've been invited to. No other data is shared. Whether you're managing multiple clients or hiring within a single team, TalentBoost workspaces keep you and everything secure, separated, and easy to manage.